That's where the
So
bricks.
you'll see a little bit there, you'll see a little bit around the edges. But no, it was up off the ground. And that dirt's just as new as it was the first day. Here we go.
Woo! You're missing it. You're turn around. Ooh, Lord. Okay, stop. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Wow.
All I need to do is salvage my jack. Nothing can fall on you anymore.
Now we got to take care of those other buildings.
Yeah, I don't have to worry about my tractor at night, whether the barn is falling on. Yeah.
There she is. Do you see the potential? Now, we don't have a foundation yet, but that's coming. So, it's a little sketchy, a little sketchy, but we're gonna make it up this ladder and into paradise. Future paradise. Don't be alarmed by that. I was told this is a surface situation. There used to be cement steps that were pushed right up against that, so water got trapped and caused that. But man, look, isn't that amazing? Would you look at that? To be from the late 1940s and look that fabulous underneath. I mean, wow. Wow.
Builder's not even resting on these.
Please. Okay, so here's the other side. This is the little kitchen entrance. Windows galore. I have like 8 windows in this little beauty. Nobody would believe it. So, see what this used to be. It was an attachment. I'm trying to talk, not fall down and not shake the camera. It's a lot. Don't mind the blinds. They're going to go. Daddy's under there doing important things. Let's see. It used to be attached to Bethany United Methodist Church. This was their social hall. Coming around, coming around. I think this is the way it was. If I'm wrong, you can correct me if you were living during this time. That this entrance was connected to the church, like where the choir room was, where the screen door is, and then this horrible green colored door that I told Daddy not to do that, but he did it anyway. Don't worry, it will be painted. That went to the Sunday school classes. So that's why we have all of these beautiful doors and windows. Nice big windows. Be careful. Here we go. I'm obviously going to put the camera, well, let's see if I can do this here. Okay, folks. It went from church social hall to a pool hall really quick. What you doing there, Daddy? What are you doing? Well, maybe you shouldn't, since it's not sitting on the foundation yet. Let's leave that alone. Let's leave that alone.
Have to do some replacing some wood down there.
Yeah. Okay, let me get up. So, pool table takes up way too much space, but I love to play pool. I do. So I don't know. Yeah, folks, you're seeing it in the raw here. You are seeing it like it has sat for years. So yeah, there's one of grandmother's styrofoam balls on the floor. Yeah, says Grandma Casper over there. Let's see. Check out this fridge. Hold on. I can't turn around but so quickly. Yes. Do you have anything? Because
Squirrels have tore them down.
no, I attempted to try to just pull them up and the rope broke. So that will be taken down. Let's see.
We got air conditioning.
Yeah. Look for the potential, folks. All right, back to this little beauty. To this General Electric beast. This thing probably still will run. I am totally going to try to keep this. Let's see. Hold on. I'm doing this left hand.
Here's the bell way, just to ring for the classrooms. Be over.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Classroom bell.
Oh, for the Sunday school?
Sunday school classes.
I was wondering what that was. That's cool. Okay, back to the fridge. Back to the fridge. Look at this. Isn't it adorable? You got your vegetable drawer and your meat drawer and your little freezer. I'm a little scared. Oh, okay, it's okay. You don't know, oh Lord, don't do that. Gosh, looks pretty good. Needs a new seal around it. But I guarantee you that thing still runs. Don't you think so, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
So it's going to be fun cleaning, finding all sorts of little treasures. See, this originally, this building, for those of you who are new to this journey, this building, if we look out this window, used to be all the way back there at the edge of the woods. And miracles happen, and we have now brought it closer to civilization. Nobody wanted me out in the woods doing my online auctions at night. So that was a big step. So, but when it was back here, my grandfather had a pond. That was his dream. Unfortunately, that pond has dried up over the years, but it used to be back there, and they would have church revivals and family reunions and all sorts of good times back there. So that's why we still have all of the old chairs and our badminton games and stuff like that, and people would fish. So I imagine, look at the old heat. And we used to have a problem when it was in the woods. Those dang squirrels. Forgive me if you're a squirrel lover. They're cute, but they can be quite destructive. Let's go into the kitchen. I'll show you what one did when it got trapped in here. So here's the little kitchen. Do y'all see that broom? I mean, my ancestors have swept with that broom, so we shall keep that. Love the sink. I definitely want to save that, but look at what a squirrel did. Oh my goodness. They tore the window up and tried to eat their way out. Look at that. Ugh. It's very frustrating. So that's going to need to be repaired. Don't know how we do that, but we will learn. And about said squirrel, I don't even know if you're supposed to show stuff like this, but it's a crime scene. That's where said squirrel was found. Poor darling. But he shouldn't have been in here. No, he should not have. So, let's look on the other side of the kitchen. Look at these little curtains. We could have little shows, y'all. We could have little puppet shows. Oh my gosh, a puppet show. Can't say I've thought about a puppet show in many a year. All right. Can you believe they've just moved this building and all of this stuff stayed sitting on the countertops and in the cabinets? Oh, don't look at this. This is I was thinking about making a little backsplash, but of course that's way down the road. But all of this stuff was original. Let's see. Just ignore cobweb. How on earth they moved this stuff? Look at the jars and those dishes up top. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Oh, look at the Tupperware. That blows my mind that none of this fell over in the move. This was all of, what is he doing? Oh my gosh. Daddy. That's not even all there. You have to connect it. If you shoot one in the pocket, it will go, yes, it will go on the floor. I don't know. I might keep this and put it over in the corner for a bit until I need the space. It's massive. Didn't you say this was the slate, the old kind?
An inch thick slate, 3 pieces under it.
Ooh. Well, we'll see.
Very heavy.
We'll see. I might need some assistance. Yay! Oh, doesn't that look better? Oh my goodness. You served your purpose. Oh my gosh. Anybody remember these?
Some people take them and make things out of them.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, that looks so much better. It can breathe. So, back to Grandma's crafts. They used to have a big time with their crafts. All of this stuff I gotta go through is hers, and oh, look, that's Santa. Ben Franklin, 69 cents. The little babies, oh, yes, good stuff. And does anyone else remember, ooh, what was that? Sorry. Anybody else remember the Kraft Wise Men? There are the bodies. I'm gonna make me some because I've found 3 new old stock heads. So we might have to do that one day together. Make us some vintage Wise Men. Fruit cake. Fruit cake. Now see, she took broken jewelry and used that on those Wise Men. Yes. Oh, there's my uncle and mama. Look. Oh, I don't know. She might not want me to show that. It's fine. More crafts. supplies. And blue Jesus. We all need blue Jesus. Oh my goodness. He's just discolored over the years. But we might have to keep him because, you know, everybody needs to keep Jesus. We're left in China. No, folks, I'm not selling this stuff. So we're just exploring together. Oh, and some ornaments she was in the process of making. This is going to be fun, folks. All right, everybody. Thank you for taking this little journey with me. You either think that I have lost my mind or this is the greatest thing in the world, and I'm going to go with it's the greatest thing in the world. So we have documented proof of where we started. So I can't wait to continue to share this process with you all. And now, Daddy's looking at his treasures over there. Now we've got to get out. Ooh. Okay, wish me luck.